Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making black-eyed peas. As you know, it's a tradition in some people's house that on New Year's they cook black-eyed peas. So today we're gonna make some black-eyed peas, and I just want to wish everyone a happy New Year. Now for our ingredients, we have a smoked turkey, we have onions, garlic, bell pepper, and our black-eyed peas. They have been soaking overnight. We picked the bad ones out and we rinsed them. Better than bouillon. This is the vegetable kind. So here I'm adding my black-eyed peas to my crock pot. I'm gonna let these cook for about 3 to 4 hours. So here I'm adding my garlic. Here I'm adding bell peppers. And I'm adding my chopped red onions. I'm adding some complete seasoning. Creole seasoning, like I said, I add that on everything. And here I'm adding the broth from my turkey, my smoked turkey leg. I boiled my turkey leg first until it started coming off the bone. And then I just used the liquids from that, and then I just add my turkey meat to my black-eyed peas. I baked a brown sugar honey ham for Thanksgiving, so I kept the bone and I stuck it in the freezer and I boiled that with my turkey leg. And I'm gonna show you the bone in the video as I'm adding my meat. So here I'm just adding my better than bouillon, the seasoned vegetable kind. And it was only a little bit left, so I add what was left over in there. That was a couple of teaspoons. I just want to say in this video that we made it to 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everyone that subscribed, liked, and comment within the last few months of me putting out videos. It has been great and fun, and I look forward to another year in the future with more of you coming in and subscribing and leaving your comments. It warms my heart, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So we're gonna let these cook on high for a couple of hours, and then we're going to come back with the finished product. So here are my black-eyed peas. They are delicious. They are done, and they're going to go with our New Year's meal. I'm going to show the rest of that later on in the week, but I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, I want to wish you a happy New Year.